Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can set approvals notifications to silent on Google Drive using your phone. If you've been getting constant pings every time someone sends an approval request and you'd rather keep things quiet, this quick guide will help you take back control. The process is simple, and once it's done, you'll still receive alerts, but without the sound interruption. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll find all the controls for how your apps behave, including notifications. Next, scroll through your list of applications and tap on Apps. From there, find Google Drive. Since Drive is where your documents and approval requests live, this is the app we'll work with. Once you're in the Google Drive app settings, tap on Notifications. This section allows you to customize which alerts you get and how they appear. Here, you'll see an option for notification categories. Go ahead and tap on it. Categories split notifications into types, making it easy to control just one part of an app without silencing everything. Now, look for the category labeled Approvals. This is where Drive groups all notifications related to approval requests, such as when someone asks you to review or sign off on a file. Tap on Approvals to open its settings. Finally, you'll see different ways you can handle the alerts. To make them less disruptive, select the silent option. This means you'll still see the notification appear on your device, but it won't make a sound or vibration that interrupts what you're doing. And that's it. From now on, your Google Drive approvals will quietly show up whenever they come in, allowing you to stay informed without the constant noise. You'll still have full access to approved files and requests whenever you're ready, just on your own time. If you ever want to switch back to audible alerts, you can simply revisit the same settings and choose a sound option again. Making this small adjustment keeps your focus where you need it, while still keeping you connected to the things that matter.